Morning, sir. My report for today is the different types of ballroom dances. The number one is the cha-cha. It is originated in Cuba in 1940s, evolving from the mambo and danzon styles. Enrique Jorin is the Cuban violinist and composer. Is credited with creating the cha-cha rhythm, emphasizing the first downbeat and introducing a triple step that dancers would later mimic with their feet, creating the distinctive cha-cha sounds. Yung cha-cha po is nag-originate or nagsimula siya sa Cuba in the year 1940s po. Tapos ang nag-originate po nito is si Sir Enrique Jorin. Meron po tayong meron po tayong characteristics of cha-cha. The number one is the rhythm, the number two is the footwork, and the style. Next po ng ating sayaw is the rumba. Rumba is a style of music and dance that originated in Cuba in the early 20th century. Yung rumba po, nag-originate din po siya sa Cuba, sa country ng Cuba in the 20th century. Tapos yung rumba po, pinaniniwalaan po na ito ay galing sa Spanish word na rumbo, meaning po is party or the spree. Meron po tayong 3 types of rumba. The number one is the sun. Ang sun po, yung pagsayaw ng rumba is slower, more romantic style of rumba. Yung sun daw po na style ng rumba is medyo mabagal lang po siya, tsaka paromantic po yung sayaw ng magpartner. The second one is the gyagungko. Ito po, yung gyagungko pong style is mabilis naman po siya. Tapos energetic po yung style ng pagsayaw ng magpartner. Tapos yung pangatlo po is the yambu. Slower lang din po yung pagsayaw ng yambu. At saka more traditional lang po siya. Kumbaga, siya po yung pinaka simple na sayaw ng pagrumba. The next one is the jive po. Jive is a high energy dance style that originated in the United States in the 1940s. Yung jive po, nag-originate siya sa United States year 1940s. Meron po tayong characteristic of jive. The number one characteristic of jive is the high energy. Ito po, yung pagsayaw sa high energy niya is the fast pace or the energetic movement. Ito po yung mabilis ang pagsayaw nung jive. The number two is the bouncy rhythm. Upbeat music with strong bouncy rhythm. Ito po, mabilis din siya, tapos meron din po siyang pagiging strong nung music na gagamitin sa jive. The number 3 is the improvisation. Involves improvisation, allowing dancer to showcase their creatives and style. Yung improvisation po, ito po yung pinaka maganda characteristic ng jive kasi yung mga dancer po, nagki-create sila ng dance steps na para maging more creative po yung pagsayaw ng jive. The next one is the paso doble. This dance is dramatic, passionate dance style that originated in Spain and France. Yung paso doble po, nag-originate daw siya sa Spain and France. Tapos passionate po siya, para po siyang may pagkamalapit sa romantic po yung pagsayaw ng paso doble. Tapos meron din po tayong characteristic ng paso doble. The number one is the dramatic movement. Ito pong dramatic movement, yung pagsayaw po siya ng paso doble na parang slow din siya na medyo romantic siya, para po siyang dramatic. Kumbaga parang ito yung pinaka madramang sayaw nung kung paano i-represent or i-style yung paso doble. The number 2 is the matador inspiration. Leader typically with the man and the woman is the follower. Yung matador inspiration po, ito daw po yung ang nagiging nasusunod, ang nauuna or nangunguna is yung mga lalaki. Tapos ang susunod po sa kanila yung mga women, yung mga babae po ang magiging follower nila. The number 3 is the strong connection. It involves communication and trust to the partner. Yung strong communication, strong connection po sa paso doble, ito yung nag-involve kung paano mo pagkakatiwalaan yung partner mo. Kung paano kumbaga sa po, yung pag hinawakan ka ng partner mo, kailangan may tiwala ka kung paano kanila dadalin. Yun lang po yung aking report, sir. Thank you po.